What's up, family? Beautiful day. I'm with my family. We're on our way to Philadelphia, my home city.
Philadelphia.
Get up and fight!
No! Restrain! We're gonna meet up with the whole King family. So
Coopers,
you guys will
Robinson,
see pastors and all the above. We're gonna see all of them today. We're joining for my auntie's funeral. God bless her soul.
Our great Aunt TonI.
Forever in our hearts. We're gonna just show some love, see the family, show our support. Family, y'all ready for the road trip? Yeah, you ready?
Oh, you ready? Remember that from Princess and the Frog, the movie, when the soul man came and got that man, and they said, "Are you ready?" They was taking him back to hell.
Is that right?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Happy, everybody, live it up. Guys, I'm in Philly. Waiting for the light to turn green. Just a smooth ride. Thank God. I got the whole crew with me. You got it decked out really nice for my auntie. Look at him, that's a big baby.
Uh-oh.
I can't do it.
Alright. Put it away then.
And this one too. You ask.
After making it from our Aunt TonI's, we went to go see our uncle. I'm with the family, you guys, in Philadelphia. That's what I was saying. So is around here?
No. They fight. You only can rent. They have other people do the driving, but if they from the funeral, once the funeral is over, you know, they go their own way. They got their money.
Guys, I'm taking it back from when I was a kid, my childhood days. Sitting on a stoop by myself. I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for my family to come out the house. But y'all, memories. I'm on my Oaks block right now in Ontario. I'm looking for, where's the crabs? I'm looking for the crabs. I'm looking for my Aunt Rita now. I found her. I'm being quiet.
Is he trying to call me right now? She over here walking like a whole goddess out here in Philadelphia. But you know, buddy, I'm still got the Kim on you. You are so stop. What you gonna do? You must not know me, baby.
I'll show you how to walk. Shit on me right now. Dude over here in South Philly just put me on to a drink. I'm about to try it.
Hers, everybody. Cheers to the good life. Out here with familiar people. What's happening?
How are you?
I want to see Jess.
At Tidy House because they
I was just talking to him. Anthony. You know, he's out in Lake City Park. He's part of
it is so packed, Kathy. TonI.
Yeah.
They sit
How you
on
locked
out.
out? What happened?
Turn this up. A jelly sandwich.
Ashley's talking now. Okay.
What? I just washed up.
You look nice. No.
I did. I just washed up. She said she having so much fun.